Hi there guys, welcome to another Rossberry Productions video. Today I'm going to be showing you the OBD2 port and cabin fuse box location on a 2013 Nissan Navara D40. So first off, the OBD2 port come over to the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Just go down in the footwell. Tucked up on the left is that white socket, and that is your OBD2 port. Now for your cabin fuse box, go over to the left hand side of the vehicle, open up the glove box, and you'll see this panel on the left hand side. Get your finger in there, pop that off, and that exposes your cabin fuse box. I will now put up what each of the fuses are. Which is also reflected on the back of the lid. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumb up and subscribe to my channel.